Hello, welcome to the TV room. My name is David Bradley. I'm your host. So today we're going to look at and check over a power supply. And it is for a Commodore 1541 2. Now, somewhere here, close by, I know I had an assortment of glasses. I had some that I would play Call of Duty with. They're right here. They're right here. Because you see, I just want to be able to look at the rating on the power supply, which is of course embossed. Power supply model number DB-5128-1, input 117 volts AC, 60 hertz, 0.23 amps, output 5, 700 milliamps, 12, 500 milliamps. Got the little what's supposed to be on which pin here. Caution, indoor use only. And then on the top it says model 1541-2, 1571-2 that I don't think ever existed, and the 1581. So, there's a rubber band that just broke. Not surprising on the one end. And there's tape. I don't like tape because it leaves ugly residue after decades and decades and decades that I've got it off. So here, if you're not familiar with the power supply for the 1541-2, on one end you'll find a plug. 2-prong, goes into a power bar or some sort of outlet. Normal, nothing strange. Mind you, I'm in North America, so the plugs here are all pretty standard. And then we have a 4-pinned-in thing. Don't go sticking this in things that are not what it says that it should be. Because, unless you are perfectly sure that the pinout is the same, bad things could happen. For example, there are cords, and I have mostly seen them with CPAP machines, that have 2 prongs. There's no thing in between, just 2 prongs. And they look attractive and interesting when you're pondering, thinking, plugging them into a VIC-20, saying, oh yeah, look at that plug, yeah, that's good. Won't go well, don't do it. Okay, so here, just as it happens right in front of me, we have a 1541-2. We do. So I'm going to put that down there. And then I have this plugged in. And I guess the first test is, first of all, make sure the drive is turned off. Locate the power connector. Plug it in. And turn it on. And see what happens. We should hear the drive spin. We should see the lights come on. And then it should stop. Interesting. It seems to be still spinning. That is disturbing. But, let's see. I'll unplug a serial cable. I'll put it in. I'll turn the 64 on and off. I'll type in catalog. And the drive is not responding. Now, it's strange that that would be the way it is because I'm pretty sure this was okay before. And I know that somewhere around here, what the hell was that? Look, Star Wars pillow, an original, or the pillowcases. I was pretty damn sure that I have other such power supplies, maybe even right here on the desk. Perhaps they are buried in... Oh, there's more computers here than I thought. Well, yeah, this is not going well. This is not going well at this moment. I'm just going to get up, excuse me, and take a peek over here. I have a vast assortment of power supplies, typically, mostly, to do with the Commodore 64. But it's possible, I thought, I would put some here. That worked on the 1541 too. That is disturbing, but not surprising, because of course things here are not at all neat and tidy. I'm going to try, before I give up on more, I'll pull this box out of here, and pull this data set out of here, and then, oh look, it's a Commodore 64. And I really thought that I had put something down here like this. Oh look, it's a Commodore bag. I really thought I had in this basket of goodies. I see a cord that could be... No, that's a power cord. Okay, so that's interesting. From what I remembered, this disk drive was working. So, is there trouble with this power supply? I don't know. I suppose, looking back, what I should have done was made sure I had a power supply handy that I could check the drive out first, and then plug in the other power supply. Oh dear, oh me, oh my, oh well. So we'll put things back down here, and I will go a-hunting. One thing I could do, that I might do, but I'm not sure, is a while ago I ended up getting 1581, and it came with a strange power supply, rather bigger. It was one for an Amiga 500, if I remember rightly, and although it was more powerful, it had the same pinout as this drive, and that's what they were using it with, because it worked. So that made sense. Now, just seeing if this is getting hot. It's not getting hot. So obviously, things here are not going well. A quick, simple test. That's all I wanted to do. Oh well, see you next time. Maybe things will go better. Bye for now.